If you've ever received a flattened image, a JPEG or PNG file where everything is merged into a single file with no editable layers, and wish you could get back inside it and make changes, Magic Layers is built for exactly that situation. It's a new AI feature from Canva that takes a flat image and automatically separates it into individual editable layers, so you can move, resize, recolor, or replace each element independently without having to build the design from scratch. If you've used Magic Grab before, Magic Layers will feel familiar, but the two tools work differently in an important way. Magic Grab lets you select and extract a single subject from an image. You're pulling one element out at a time, a person, an object, a logo, and separating it from the rest of the image. Magic Layers processes the entire image at once. Rather than isolating one element, it separates everything simultaneously, breaking a flat image into all of its component layers in a single step. To access Magic Layers, look for the Magic Layers icon on the Canva homepage, or you'll also find it under the image editing options within the Canva Design Editor. Choose an image from your uploads or upload a new one. Magic Layers works with single-page, JPEG, and PNG files only, so if you have a PDF, a multi-page design, or any other file format, you'll need to export or convert it to a JPEG or PNG first, before Magic Layers can process it. Once you've selected your image, Canva will process it using AI and automatically separate the components into individual layers. Once Magic Layers has processed your image, you'll see your design with all the separated components on the canvas. To navigate and work with the individual layers, click on any element in the design, then click Position in the top toolbar. In the panel that opens on the left, you'll see two tabs, Arrange and Layers. Go to the Layers tab. From there, you'll see each layer that Magic Layers has identified listed separately. Clicking on any layer in that panel selects it on the canvas, so you can then move, resize, recolor, or replace it independently from the rest of the design. Before I wrap up, there are a couple of things worth knowing before you try this on your own images. The quality of the layer separation depends heavily on the complexity of the image. A graphic with a few distinct components, with a background photo and a couple of text elements, tends to separate fairly cleanly. That's where Magic Layers works well. But when I tried it on one of my own video title images, which has multiple layered components, overlapping elements, and more visual complexity, the results were not clean. Images came out pixelated, elements didn't separate the way I expected, and the overall quality degraded noticeably. So going in with realistic expectations matters here. Simple flat images with clearly defined elements are a reasonable use case. Complex designs with a lot of overlapping components are likely to disappoint. And in those situations, rebuilding from scratch may still be the faster path. It's also worth remembering that this is a beta feature, which means the experience will likely shift as Canva refines it. If something doesn't work exactly as described here, it's worth checking whether the feature has been updated since this tutorial was recorded. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.